Hari Om kids. Today we will learn the importance of Ganga Dashahara. 1. Ganga Dashahara is also known as Ganga Avtaran, which means the descent of the Ganga. 2. Ganga Dashahara is dedicated to goddess Ganga, and this day is commemorated. Show respect for someone as the day when Ganga was descended to the earth to accomplish her mission to purge, removal, the cursed souls of Bhagiratha's ancestors. 3. Before coming to the earth, the goddess Ganga was residing in Kamandal of Lord Brahma, and along with her the goddess Ganga brought the purity of heaven to the earth. Kids, let's understand the importance of Ganga river. 1. The Ganga is the most sacred river to Hindus. It is a lifeline to millions of Indians who live along its course and depend on it for their daily needs. It is worshipped as the goddess Ganga in Hinduism. 2. The main stem of the Ganga begins at the town of Devaprayag, at confluence, the junction of two rivers, of the Alaknanda, which is the source stream in hydrology because of its greater length, and the Bhagirathi. 3. The Ganga is home to approximately 140 species of fish and 90 species of amphibians. The river also contains reptiles and mammals. Now let's check out the scientific fact about Ganga river. 1. It has been studied by scientists that water collected from Ganga at its origin is in a pure state, and even after being kept for several years, does not get contaminated. 2. University of Roorkee's D.S. Bhargav, an environmental engineer, studied and found that Ganga is the only river in the world that decomposes organic wastes at a rate 15 to 25 times faster compared to other rivers in entire world. 3. New Delhi-based Malaria Research Center found that water taken from Ganga's upper ambits prevent mosquito breeding and also prevented mosquito breeding when the water was added to any other water from other sources. 4. British bacteriologist by the name Ernest Henry Hankin tested Ganga water in 1896 and found that when Vibrio cholerae, a deadly bacterium known for spreading cholera, was killed within 3 hours after it was added in water from Ganga. He also simultaneously dropped the bacterium in distilled water and found that it survived for more than 48 hours. He eventually concluded that Ganga and its tributary Yamuna have been largely responsible for preventing the spread of cholera. 5. Water putrefies or emanates foul odor when level of oxygen depletes because of decomposing organic waste. C. Nelson, a British physician, during a return voyage to England took some water from Hooghly River, one of the dirtiest mouths of Ganga, and observed that it remained fresh throughout the voyage. 6. D.S. Bhargav also found during his 3-year study that the river is capable of reducing its level biochemical oxygen demand way faster than any other river in this world. He explains that organic waste reduces the level of dissolved oxygen in river water when it starts putrefying, and Ganga is no different, but an unknown substance in Ganga kills organic material and bacteria and helps to increase the level of dissolved oxygen. Now, after understanding all these importance, let's look at what we should do on Ganga Dashahara Day, which is on 19th June this year. 1. Taking bath in Ganga and offering charity or dan punya on Ganga Dashahara Day is considered highly auspicious. 2. It is believed that holy dip in Ganga on Ganga Dashahara Day can purge all type of sins. 3. While taking bath at your home on 19th June, chant Om Hri Gangai Om Hri Swaha, Om Hri Gangaya Om Hri Swaha. This will give equal benefit taking bath in Ganga. We will see you in next video, kids. Hari Om.